What you think of the baby, miss? Hey, little miss.
Miss, what you think of the baby? Wow, she's really getting into her dream. What do you think of your baby?
It's so cute, Mom.
She's so cute. You want to keep her? You want to keep her, or do you want to take her back?
Keep her.
Keep her? Oh, you want to keep her now? She stuck her tongue at you. Put your tongue back in. She doesn't know any better. She's smiling at you. Oh, oh, oh. Nope, she's not. She's got a grumpy face on her.
That's making noise.
Yeah. Are you recording this?
I heard the whole
She stuck her
hand.
tongue out at you again.
Not even looking at the baby. You're watching TV, doofus.
Stick her tongue out. Look at that face, miss. TV is more interesting than your baby sister? Are you the big sister? Huh? You know what we need to find? Are you still recording?
Mm-hmm.
We need to find the bouncy seat.
Oh, we already have one of those?
We need to find it. Where is it?
Is that the one that goes bing, 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 bing? It's not the one that goes boing, boing, boing.
Not the boinga boinga, the binga binga.
Okay. What about the bouncy, bouncy? The Rockies.
No, she's too young for it. I have to be able to sit up for that.
Yeah. So you just need the bingy, bingy, bingy. That goes
Bounce, bounce, bounce. Yeah, the vibrating. Oh, that was nice.
Oh, don't cough on the
Cough
baby.
on her.
Don't hock a loogie on the baby.
If you got a cough, you cover your mouth.
And wipe it on mommy.
She's got so much hair, Adam. Cover your mouth if you're gonna cough.
Like that.
And cover it with your mouth, with your hand. Yes, like that. You're still recording her?
Absolutely.
Mom? Mom?
What? Did you just burp? You wanted me to hear you burp?
Baby Bella, baby Bella.
You're not even looking at the baby.
Baby's hitting you.
She's giving you the pimp hand.
Sticking her tongue out at you. Look.
Where's the long hand go?
Huh? You got... Oh, she farted on you. I felt it. Careful. I bet she's pooping.
Oh.